Welcome to Cindy E Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey, how y'all doing today? Amen, amen, amen. I'm finally trying the what you call it? TikTok grounder sandwich for Try Tuesday, okay? I still got my bowl of stuff back there because my sandwich gonna fall. Let y'all take a look good there. Ooh. Got me some chips. These is called Deep River. Deep River. I got plain and salt vinegar. And the juices is everywhere. Lauren, look in the sink and get that black knife from me. Because I ain't going to be able to bite this. I'm drinking the Corona. Thank you. I think I need you to do one more favor for me.
What?
You know what the can opener look like?
No. What can is it?
Don't worry about it. Cause I got a Corona, y'all, and I ain't bring the bottle open. I like the butt ends of the sandwich.
Ew, I don't eat it.
Try one more thumbnail.
Thank you.
It's the shadows for me. Mom, please help me. You have me this can open? I'm trying to open up my beer. Please.
Oh yeah.
You know what I can see myself doing? Oh. Thank you, Doris. Going to any place and getting me a sandwich and adding this to it. This is really good. There's one more thing I want to try this on. But I'm going to make a video. let me say, hello everybody. Welcome to the channel. I'm currently at 700 subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Great having you. The goal is 1,000 and we're still on the road. A continued thank you to everyone who's been here this whole entire time. Thank you. We're gonna keep pushing till we get to that 1,000 and more. The inspiration behind this video, Ghetto Bites. He done put on a lot of stuff, and I see why. Mukbanging with Priscilla. She in Philly, the home of the sandwiches. Her last sub video, check it out. I'm gonna link it. You know, there is I guess a recipe for it, but I use that basic mixture, but I added like Mrs. Dash to mine. This little submarine sauce, like I seen people putting what you call it? Oregano and stuff. It's this little submarine sauce with like oil, oregano, Italian herbs, all that stuff. I put that in the mix. I use some Kinder's lemon pepper, no salt seasoning. I spice mine up. On my sandwich, I got turkey, oven roasted turkey, oven gold roasted turkey, beef bologna, and Genoa salami, American cheese. I did not use a hoagie roll. I didn't use Italian bread. I used the Cuban loaf from Publix. Put some butter on it. Put it in the oven. Toast it a little bit with my American cheese. Excuse me. I did bring a soda. Not a soda, the beer was the perfect choice. I want to ask y'all a question. You ain't got the answer. But how many times a week do you take a bath? B. Simone got the people upset. She say she might go 2 days without taking a bath. And everybody said, no. You need to take two baths a day. You need to take three baths a day. You need to take a shower in the morning and a bath at night. No. You gotta take a shower in the morning. Wash up when you get home from work. Take a bath when you before you go to bed. And make sure you wash your booty every time you use the bathroom. The year is 2022. And ain't nobody doing nothing in life right. Mm. Mm. B. Simone made a lot of money off of that one comment. Because everybody right. Everybody's opinions need to be heard. And everybody got something to say. We don't know how to mind our business. When it ain't our business. And when it should be our business, we ain't paying no attention to it. Everybody's supposed to be millionaires by the time they 25. Y'all see her? What? Uh-uh. No, you already got something to eat. Ooh. Boy, bye. It's a good sandwich. Oh, excuse me. Mm. 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 I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Again, thank you for joining me. Before I go, I got two things to say. One, I love you. 2, and please don't you forget, it's the whole reason why I'm here. So don't forget, I am here for your viewing pleasure. Hope to see you next time on Cindy Eats. Bye.